Magandang hapon, aming pambansang Ginoo. I like her single. Kanina pa ako na LSS,
Wow.
no?
Gawa ka naman ng TikTok edit.
Oo naman.
Sumasayaw ka ganun.
You mentioned earlier that being a recording artist seemed to be far-fetched from who you really are. So I want to know, what was your turning point when you said to yourself, I'm not just gonna act, I'm gonna sing too?
Good question. When the opportunity presented, when Universal Records approached us, si AMD manager ko, and told me na, they were gonna sign me. Of course, at that point, naisip ko na, talaga ba? Kaya pa ba? But then, naisip ko din na minsan lang kasi yung mga ganitong opportunity, right? And again, sa life ko, hindi ko naman talaga expect lahat ng ito, di ba? So I think I'm a person who is just accepting whatever the opportunity that comes in my way, di ba? And ayun, gagalingan ko lang talaga. Hindi ko rin sure kung magaling ako or kung gagaling ako, but I'm gonna do my best to figure out kung gagaling ako. With the help of UR, sana gumaling ako.